Hello and welcome to my presentation. My name is Monica Perfetta and I'm a speech assistant with the Calgary Catholic School Division. Today I'm going to show you how to make the mystery box. I like to use the mystery box to expand vocabulary in children through the use of questions and describing words. Have you ever had one of those moments where you're trying to find a word and it just won't come out? You start describing. It's that thingy. It's big. It eats people. It has 3 eyes. Oh, you mean a monster? Or somebody else is trying to describe something to you to figure out what the word is, and you ask questions. Well, is it an animal? Is it food? And that's what our kids need help with. Their vocabulary is much less than ours, so it's important that they know how to ask questions and how to use describing words. Visuals are great for children so that they can point to the word as they say it. This helps them slow down their speech, but it also helps them expand their vocabulary and the length of their sentences. Here's an example. Most of the questions in this activity are what? So they could ask, what is the color? What is the size? And they can point to each word as they do it. Or they can point to a color or any other attribute on the page. Children learn how to understand and use questions in a certain order, from easiest to most difficult. The easiest question is what, followed by who, where, when, and why. This visual has questions for what and where. The first thing you will need is a box. Any size box will do. But remember, the bigger the box is, the bigger the mystery item can be. Draw circles on opposite sides of the box. Make sure that the circle is just big enough for you and your child to put your hands through. Now cut out the circle. Now comes the fun part. Your child gets to decorate the box and make it their own. Be creative and have lots of fun with this. This is what my box looked like when I was done with it. Now, provide your child with a bag that you cannot see through and have your child find items. You can be as specific or as general as you would like. As you can see here, I picked items that you would find in the kitchen. I'm using the Jell-O. I place it inside the box and close the lid. Now, I recommend that your child start first. This way you can model how to ask questions and how to describe things using the visuals for your child. Once you've done this several times, your child can begin starting. Now reach inside the box and try to feel your way around the item so that you can make a guess. When you and your child are playing the game, try to answer the questions using more than 1 or 2 words. For example, if you take a guess, is it a dog? Have your child say, yes, it is a dog. Or no, it isn't a dog. It is a cat. All right. And there's some other examples on this page. You could say, it is red, it is hard, it is soft, it is a square, it is big. And up here, you can use this sentence to describe what it does. You use it to eat, or you eat with it. Here you can describe its parts. It has 3 eyes, 2 antennas, and 1 mouth. It is a monster. And here, this strip can be used to describe where you find it. You find it in the swamp. All right. Have fun asking questions and describing with your child.